When you have the mom and pop shop, okay, that has one restaurant for 25 years, okay, cool. But when you now have Chili's and so and so coming and taking over, people are gonna say, yeah, we love this brand, but we gotta come over here. So I'm not saying look corporate, but once again, you're marketing the perception of who you are. Because eventually, the longer you're in business, a new generation of customers comes also. So when there's somebody that says, I've been using Lance since 1987, or depending if they've been in business for 20, 30 years, whatever, but now the kid, the son or daughter, who is now 18 years old and has a plumbing issue, they'll say, oh, my dad's been using them. They're just a bunch of old people over there. But a lot of times businesses rebrand. There's reasons why they do that, even logos. Look at Pepsi, Coke. Look at over the past 20, 30 years. Look how it's changed so many times. And with time, as times change, and different socially, how things change also, logos can change too. So just keep that in mind. The fonts that they might use, the font that they might use might have been something that looks like, good example, Gulf gasoline. Have you seen those gas stations? Gulf, it's like orange and blue. Do you know what I'm talking about, right?
Yeah.
If you look at Gulf, and you can Google when they just Google Gulf, they're all over Austin and then maybe one or two over here, I don't know. It just looks faded, the logo's faded. It literally looks like the sign has been there from 1982. And it could be a brand new Gulf location that went up. And it just looks like 1982. But when you have Exxon or Shell and they put a sign, it's clean, it's crisp, it's popping. So yeah, I would highly recommend have a distinct name. Lakeside falls kind of in the general. It's like you go to Austin, Riverside. Riverside is, a couple miles long. Riverside Apartments, Riverside Donuts, Riverside this. Yeah, we know you're there, but I'll tell you this, I saw Riverview Apartments the other day. And I was like, oh, okay. And it's right there on 35 and Riverside. So instead of using Riverside, they said Riverview. It's the same thing, really. But, anyways, just play on words.